In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit shifts on Fresha. Imagine having a system that not only helps you manage your business smoothly, but also offers the flexibility to adapt to changes instantly. Fresha does exactly that for businesses around the globe, particularly focusing on the beauty, wellness, and personal care sector. Now let's dive into how you can edit shifts for your team, ensuring that your business operates as efficiently as possible, adapting to any necessary schedule changes swiftly. The journey begins at the Fresha for Business page. You'll find this by navigating to the Fresha website, specifically aimed at business users. On this page, there's a dedicated section for you as a business owner or manager. This is your first step into managing the back end of your operations seamlessly. Once you're there, the next move is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is your gateway to accessing the administrative functions of your Fresha account. This is where you start to merge the operational aspects of your business with the convenience that Fresha offers. After clicking on Login, ensure you select For Business. This option is tailored for business accounts, distinguishing it from the customer-focused side of Fresha. It's a crucial step to ensure you are accessing the correct functionalities designed for business operations. To simplify the login process, Fresha allows you to sign in using your Google account. This is a great time saver, especially if you are already logged into your Google account on your device. So go ahead and click on Sign in using Google and choose the Google account you wish to use. This step encapsulates the ease and integration Fresha aims to provide by meshing well within your existing digital ecosystem. Now that you're logged in, it's time to focus on the heart of today's topic: editing shifts. Navigate to the Teams section. This area is where you manage your most valuable asset, your people. It's the hub for overseeing your team's schedules, shifts, and overall coordination. Within the Teams area, you'll find an option for scheduled shifts. This is where the magic happens in terms of managing your team's time effectively. The design and layout here are intuitive, aiming to make your management task as straightforward as possible. Click on Daily Shifts. This will bring up the specific shifts for the chosen day. It's a detailed view that allows you to see who is working when, making it easier for you to identify which shifts need adjustments. When you've identified a shift that requires editing, you'll see an option to edit this day. Clicking here is your initiation into modifying the work schedule to fit your business needs better. It shows Fresha's understanding of the dynamic nature of businesses like yours, where adjustments are often needed. Once you're in edit mode, you'll have the capability to change the time slot of the shift. It's an incredibly user-friendly interface, where you simply adjust the start and end times according to your requirements. This flexibility is a cornerstone of keeping your operations smooth and responsive to changes. Finally, after making the necessary adjustments, don't forget to click on Save. It's a small but crucial step to ensure all your changes are applied and reflected accurately in your business schedule. It's this attention to detail and commitment to operational efficiency that makes Fresha a valued partner for many businesses. Editing shifts on Fresha is more than just a task. It's a way to ensure your business adapts, grows, and thrives in a fast-paced world. Today, you learned how to navigate the Fresha platform to manage your team's shifts efficiently. Remember, every step from logging in to saving your edited shifts is designed to make your life easier and your business operations smoother. Fresha is not just a tool but a partner in your business journey, providing you with the flexibility and efficiency needed to succeed. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're adjusting to last-minute changes or planning ahead, Fresha's got you covered. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most of this robust platform.